Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for some cool budget-friendly wall decoration ideas to decorate your home? Then this video is for you. In this video, I would like to share with you my ideas on how I recreated this expensive wall decor piece with cheap, budget-friendly and easily affordable items. If you like my work, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. For this project, the first step is to cut out 19 pieces of cardboard in the form of squares and rectangles as shown here. The next step is to cover all these pieces with newspaper. This is how they look once they are done. Color them in black. Giving black color as base coat helps to bring in the uniformity and covers unneeded design or letters. It's now time to work on each piece. On the pieces with numbers 3, 6, 11 and 16, I have applied a stone effect grey color. If you're watching this video for the first time, please do visit my channel for other interesting decoration ideas. You can find the links in the description below. Repeat the same on the other pieces. Once all the pieces are colored, leave them aside until they are dry. Moving on cardboard pieces with numbers 2, 10 and 15, I have prepared and applied structure paste as base coat. The recipe for structure paste is pretty simple. For this I have taken 2 tablespoons of baby powder, added 2 tablespoons of white glue, and an additional tablespoon of white acrylic color. Mix it well. Few drops of water can be added as needed. Once it is prepared, apply the structure paste as a base coat onto pieces with numbers 2, 10 and 15. Leave them aside to dry. Once they are dry, I have then applied a coat of white acrylic color onto these pieces. Repeat the same on the other pieces. Once all the pieces are colored, leave them aside until they are dry. Next, on the pieces with numbers 1, 4, 9, 12 and 17, I have first of all applied a base coat of structure paste and then colored all of them in gold. This is how they look once they are done. Then on the pieces with numbers 7, 13 and 18, I have covered them with aluminum foil. This is how they look once they are done. The last set, that is the cardboard pieces with numbers 5, 8, 14 and 19, these I have covered in black. That's it. This is how all the pieces look like once they are all dry and done. It's now time to arrange all the pieces together as we have seen in the expensive wall decor piece. So dear friends, I hope you're liking my work so far. If so, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Once all the pieces are arranged together, I have added couple of small cardboard pieces underneath the bigger ones in order to level all the top pieces properly. This also adds kind of a 3D effect onto the wall decoration piece. That's it. Now glue all the pieces together. That's it. Hope you liked it. Once all the pieces are glued together, I have added couple of cardboard pieces on the back side of this whole piece for better stability. That's it. It's now time to hang it on the wall. Using a double-sided tape, I have glued the hanging onto the wall. So dear friends, hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.